Hello friends, welcome back to my channel with another video on chapter 13 of class 10th exercise 13.2. Question number is 8. So this is the last question of exercise 13.2. Our question is, a spherical glass vessel has a cylindrical neck 8 centimeter long, 2 centimeter in diameter, right? The diameter of the spherical part is 8.5 centimeter. By measuring the amount of water it holds, a child finds its volume to be 345 centimeter cube. Check whether she is correct, taking above as the inside measurement and pi is equal to 3.14. So सबसे पहले हम statement को अच्छे से समझ लेते हैं, because when statement is clear to you, सम इज वेरी इजी, राइट. अगर स्टेटमेंट एक बार समझ में आ गई तो सम बड़े आराम से समझ आ जाता है. A spherical glass vessel. So this is a spherical glass vessel. It's spherical in shape, right? With a cylindrical neck. It has a cylindrical neck. Spherical vessel with cylindrical neck. It's 8 centimeter. Neck is 8 centimeter. 2 centimeter is diameter. Its diameter is 2 centimeter. The diameter of spherical part is 8.5 centimeter. So this is the diameter of the spherical part. It is 8.5 centimeter. By measuring the amount of water it holds, a child finds the volume. एक बच्चे ने इसकी वॉल्यूम निकाली है and उसका आंसर आया 345 centimeter. Right? You have to check whether she is correct. हमने ये देखना है कि उसका आंसर करेक्ट है. 345 सेंटीमीटर ही आता है सेंटीमीटर क्यूब, टेकिंग द अबव एज इनसाइड मेजरमेंट्स एंड पाई की वैल्यू हमने ले लिया 3.14, राइट. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. सो हमने सबसे पहले क्या निकालना है, इस वेसल की वॉल्यूम निकालनी है. तो सबसे पहले जो हमारे पास इंफॉर्मेशन है वो हम लिख लेते हैं. नंबर 1, सफेयर. स्फेयर के बारे में हमें क्या नॉलेज है यहाँ पे वो लिख लेते हैं. राइट. सफेयर इज हैविंग डायमीटर 8.5 सेंटीमीटर. Diameter of sphere is 8 centimeter. So let's write down diameter. It's equal to 8.5 centimeter. Then its radius, it will be 8.5 over 2. That we can write down like this, 85 by 10. I have removed this decimal, so I have put 10 here. Right? Now this is 85 over 20. By cutting 5 4s are 5 17s are. So my radius of spherical part is 17 by 4 centimeter. Right? Now volume of sphere क्या होती है? Volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Right? This is the information about sphere. Now let's take cylindrical part. Cylinder. Its height is given 8 centimeter. Height, that is h. It is equal to 8 centimeter. Diameter. Diameter of cylinder, it is given 2 centimeter. So its radius, small r, is equal to half of the diameter, that is equal to 1 centimeter. Right? Now volume of cylinder क्या होती है? What is the formula? Volume of cylinder, that is pi r square h. Now we have to find out the volume of this whole vessel. So volume of vessel it is equal to volume of spherical part plus volume of cylindrical part. Right? ये क्वेश्चन तो अब आपको समझ आ गया. We can erase it. Right, so volume of vessel it is equal to volume of spherical part. So volume of spherical part that is 4 by 3 pi r cube. R we have taken capital, so यहाँ पे भी capital ले लेते हैं, plus volume of cylindrical part that is pi r square h. Right, so this is 4 by 3 pi value we will take 3.14 r cube. This is the radius of the spherical part. So radius of spherical part is 17 by 4. Pi, this is 3.14 r square. So radius of cylindrical part that is 1 and height of the cylinder is 8. Right, so 3.14 is here also and here also, so we can take common 3.14 and inside it is left 4 by 3 this one and 17 by 4 cube. So we can write down it thrice, 3 times. So this will be cancelled with this. Plus this 3.14 we have taken common and this is 1 into 1 multiplied by 8, so 8 is left here. Right, so this is 3.14 multiplied by 17 multiplied by 17 multiplied by 17, so this will be equal to 4913. 4 4s are 16, 16 3s are 48. Right, plus this 8 now 4913 divided by 48. Right, we can solve it by taking LCM also, but it will be easier if we convert it into decimals. Right, क्योंकि उससे आपकी calculations जो है वो lengthy हो जाएगी. So 4913 divided by 48 you will get 102.354. Right, plus 8. So now you will add it, 102.354 plus 8. 110.354. So we will multiply it with 3.14. Right, so you will get 3 4. To save our time, I have already calculated it. 346.346.51156. Right, we will, by multiplying these two numbers we will get this, and because after decimal 1 2 3 and 2 digits here 5. So total 5 digits are there after decimal. So we will put decimal after 5 digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So your answer is 346.51156, or you can say 346.51 approx, right? So the child has given us answer 345 centimeter cube. So that answer is incorrect. Answer given by the child is incorrect. The correct answer is 346.51 centimeter cube. That's all. Little bit difference रह गया था वैसे child का 345 and the exact answer is 346.51, right? So I hope the question is clear to you. Thank you.